Welcome to the Watch. My name is Rohit Arora, and today we are going to unbox the all-new LG Velvet smartphone. Now, this particular handset is quite unique for two reasons. First of all, this is an LG smartphone, and we usually don't get to see a lot of LG smartphones in the Indian market. Secondly, this smartphone supports dual screen implementation, which can really enhance your user experience if you are a power user and prefer to do multitasking in your day-to-day routine. Having said that, we are going to unbox the LG Velvet. We will talk about its highlight features and specifications, and we will also set up this dual screen module so that we can show you some cool use cases of this dual screen implementation. So let's get started. So guys, let's get started with our unboxing of the LG Velvet smartphone, and you get this minimal looking box with the all new LG Velvet with very little information about the handset. So we will quickly unbox this handset so that we can find out what you get inside this packaging. So the first thing that you will get to see in the box is the phone itself, and let me just take it out. And you can see some specifications and details mentioned about the product here, which say sleek and premium design, easy creation camera, OLED cinematic full vision display, and this is basically an IP68 water and dust resistant phone, which means you can use this smartphone in rainy season and it will not get affected because this smartphone has a really durable body. So I'm going to switch it on and we will keep it aside for a moment so that we can have a look what's there inside this packaging. Here you will get the LG warranty card and basically a quick start guide with a SIM card ejector tool. Let me just open it for you. So here we have the SIM card ejector tool that you will get inside this packaging. We need this so that we can find out that if this smartphone is offering you a dedicated micro SD card slot or you get a hybrid SIM card slot. And here we have the LG warranty card, so make sure you keep this handy and ensure that this is always with you if you're buying this smartphone. And here we have the quick start guide. Plus you get this type C data cable, from type A to type C data cable. Surprisingly, I can't see headphones in the box, which is quite surprising because LG always ships smartphones with headphones, and this time around the LG Velvet handset does not have a bundled pair of headphones, so you have to buy them separately. So this is the flash charger. We have an 18-watt fast charger in the packaging, and you should know that this smartphone also supports wireless charging. We have 10-watt power setup for this wireless enabled Qi enabled smartphone. And as you can see, we have the Aurora silver color variant of the LG Velvet, and as you can see, this looks really good and looks really premium and really sleek. We have this triple camera module at the back panel, vertically aligned triple camera module, plus we have this flashlight, and this is really a glossy smartphone, and we don't have any case in the box, so that's gonna be a problem for you because you have to buy a case also in addition to the headphones. Let me just show you what we have in the design department. So at the bottom we have a 3.5mm audio jack, so you can buy, or if you already have a standard pair of 3.5mm headphones, then you can definitely use them with this handset, which is a plus point for LG Velvet users. And then we have a then we have the type C charging port, we have a microphone and a bottom firing speaker unit, and on the right side we have the power button, and on top we have the microphone, and we also have the SIM card tray at the top. Let me just take it out so that we can understand what kind of SIM slot LG has provided with this handset. So as you can see, we have this hybrid SIM card slot formation, and you can use the micro SD card slot and you can also use a SIM card. So basically you can use two SIM cards at the same time, or you can use one SIM card and a micro SD card to expand the internal storage to 1 terabyte. And this smartphone only comes with in lone variant, that is 6 gigabyte plus 128 gigabyte. Let me just show the specifications. Let me just go in the about section of the smartphone. Yes, as you can see, we have the model number is clearly mentioned here, and software information. Let's go in the software information, and you can see that the smartphone comes running Android version 10, and I'm sure that this will definitely get the Android 11, but I'm not very sure that this smartphone will get the Android 12, because LG software update cycle is quite uh, it's not good. I mean, I have one old LG smartphone and it is still running the old Android 10 and it hasn't got the Android 11. So I'm not very sure that this smartphone will offer you the Android 12 update. But technically, this handset should get Android 12 because this is already running Android 10. We will update the information late on the later stage, but for now, this smartphone comes running Android 10, and you should know that Android 11 will be around the corner for this handset. As far as battery is concerned, this smartphone gets a 4300 milliampere battery unit, and we have a big 6.8 inches OLED display here. Sadly, this display does not support the faster refresh rate or the higher refresh rate. There's no 90 Hz or 120 Hz refresh rate at play here, and we only get the traditional 60 Hz refresh rate panel. But this is an OLED panel, and I must tell you that LG's OLED panels are one of the best in the industry. And if you like big screens, and I think the display is really fluid, but if you have already moved onto a higher refresh rate panel, then it can be an issue for you. But if you are already using a 60 Hz refresh rate panel device, then I think this will not make much difference for you. And the screen is really big. We have a punch hole camera at the top, and I can see that the bezels are really broad, and you can see that the top bezel is quite thick, the side bezels are quite thin, and the phone feels really lightweight. It weighs around 180 grams and it does feel really lightweight. So these are some quick settings that you will find in this phone, and the user interface looks really cool because LG's user interface usually quite different from what other smartphone manufacturers are offering. And you can change wallpapers and themes. Let me just check out some wallpapers and themes for you. Wow, this looks really cool. Let me just set it out, and we will switch off, or not switch off, we will just on the smartphone, and you can see the animation in the background which looks really cool. Let me just enable it. Yes, so this is how the 6.8 inches OLED display looks like, and the colors look really vivid. We will play some videos and we'll talk more about the display. Now, talking about the RAM, we have 6GB of RAM, and this smartphone is powered by the older Snapdragon 845 chipset. Now you must know that LG also sells the Velvet in Korean market, which is a homegrown market, with a Snapdragon 765 chipset, and that smartphone is basically a 5G enabled handset. But this particular smartphone here, it is a 4G smartphone, which is a bit of an issue for me, because I think if you are buying a smartphone worth rupees 35,000, or in fact for 30,000, if you are spending 30,000 rupees in today's time, I think you should buy a 5G enabled smartphone, because 1 year or maximum 1.5 or 2 years down the line, 5G will be here in the Indian market, and then it will make a lot of difference. So enough talking for the device. Now let me just show you this cool accessory here that you have to buy separately. Now this is the dual screen accessory for LG Velvet, and by far, I mean, this is the coolest thing that you will find in this price point. We have already we haven't got a chance to test the LG G8X, but I think you already know that that smartphone sold like hot cakes in the recent festivity sales on Flipkart, and LG sold a huge number of LG G8X because they were selling it at quite an aggressive price point, because and that smartphone also supports the dual screen implementation. So here we have the dual screen module, and as you can see, we have this type C port here, which will fit in this type C charging port of the Velvet handset. We have this camera cutout here, and this is basically the dual screen. I haven't set it up, so let me just give you an idea of the design. So we have this LG dual screen logo here, and this feels really good. I mean, it is not very hard, but yeah, you can see some flexing here, but this still feels really assuring. And we have another display here, so basically you get 3 displays with LG Velvet smartphone. And I'm going to put the smartphone here so that we can just check out how this whole thing works. Yeah, so this is how it fits. We don't have a button here. Move what's showing on the screen to others. Yes. Turn on dual screen. Yes, you can now see that the dual screen is enabled. We already have got a firmware update, but I will not update it right now so that we can show you what you will get with this dual screen implementation. So as you can see, here we have the dual screen enabled for the LG Velvet smartphone, and it looks really cool. If I unlock the screen, the dual screen also gets unlocked, and wow, the touch response is just like the main screen, so you can be assured that you will get the same same user experience while using the second display. Let me just see what we can do. I think we have to install some games. I think these games are not installed, so we have to install these games first to make use of the dual screen. And as you can see, we have an LG gamepad mode here. Okay, LG gamepad mode. Wow, so this is how you can play games on this smartphone. I mean, this really looks like a console and will definitely give you a console like gaming experience if you are fond of playing games. We have an entire setup here. You can see these joysticks. You have all the controls here, and this looks really cool. I'm just going to close it so that we can check out what else we can do with this dual screen. You can disable alerts. You have a gaming channel mode here. So basically you can use the main display and you can watch YouTube on the secondary display, which is another really cool feature. If you really like to do multitasking on your smartphone, you can mute media here. I don't think we can put widgets. Yes, we can change the wallpaper, we can put widgets, so that's really cool. And let me just set up this screen. I think this wallpaper is already set up, so let me just try to set up another wallpaper on this screen, but it sets up on both the displays. So if you change the wallpaper on the secondary display, it also gets changed on the primary display. So you cannot, I think you cannot set up two different wallpapers on the screen, but my god, this looks really cool. We would use this dual screen and we will give you our honest feedback, our first impressions, and in fact our comprehensive review for the LG dual screen module. And you can see that the third display is also in action now. You can check out the time, and you can check out the date, you can check out the battery level, and you can also see some other cool notifications here. So this is how the phone actually looks like if you strap this dual screen module on the LG Velvet, and I think this makes for a stunning case also for the smartphone. That's why there's no case in the box for the LG Velvet. But there's one thing, you have to buy this case separately. You have to spend another 13,000 because this phone costs 37,000 rupees and this dual screen module alone costs 13,000 rupees. So in all you have to spend a 50,000 a sum of 50,000 for this entire setup. But for a 50,000 rupees, I think this looks really cool. We will test the smartphone's performance, gaming performance, with the dual screen mode enabled and without the dual screen. So we will give you all the information related to dual screen mode implementation plus the smartphone in the coming week. So stay tuned on Gizbot. We will come up with more information and our user experience on LG Velvet. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for the most interesting videos on technology. This is Rohit Arora signing off. Have a good day.